Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into the channel updates and changes that we're going to be making for the year of 2023. So if you guys haven't watched the channel, well, it's probably a good time because I'm improving as much as I can. And if you are a longtime follower of the channel, you guys will notice some big changes and subtle yet clean changes over the next couple months. So to start off with, as you guys probably saw in the thumbnail, might use it as the thumbnail, my logo or my channel picture or whatever you want to call it. It is an update. I took a little bit of time to decide whether or not I was going to make this change or not because I know a lot of my longtime followers are used to a certain image. So there was a possibility of me changing that picture like it is now and you scrolling past not knowing it's one of my videos. I'm hoping you'll catch the thumbnails. You'll notice, kind of my style on the thumbnails. So with this, I'm making a lot of changes. So if I'm making improvements to the channel, I figured I might as well just go ahead and make this change now so it's not a big surprise in the future. First up and first change to the channel is the logo, which we kept it nice and simple, yet very clean and catchy to the eye and still relevant to the channel, original to the channel. The 3rd gen Camaro is actually what I started the channel out on. So simple yet clean, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Then next up is, you'll see over the next couple months, is all of my audio, video, studio equipment has all been upgraded. You can now watch in 4K. So I've got new cameras, new lighting, new microphones, new editing, new lots of things. So give me a few videos and some time to kind of tweak these things, get the lighting just right, get the display for the tool reviews just right. It's going to take some time, but I think we'll get it put together very nicely and it will continue to improve, and we're going to have a much higher quality video now. So that is it as far as that. If you guys want to see a video on the stuff I upgraded to, my lighting, my cameras, all the things I purchased, because it was quite a big purchase. I hadn't really upgraded cameras or anything on the channel for a couple years at least, and even when I made upgrades in the past, they weren't big changes. So here we're looking at a good quality change. So I hope you guys enjoy that, whether you've been around for years, months, or if you're just now joining us on the channel. And then you're going to see a new series on the channel called One Tool Review. I believe that's what I'm going to call it. I really hope you guys enjoy that. You should see those coming here soon. But keep in mind that I do have a stockpile of videos. I keep a stockpile of videos just in case I'm busy working and I don't have time to make a video. I always have a stockpile of videos to provide you guys with some content. So I still have a lot of that left. So you will kind of see my new stuff trickle in over the next couple months until it's all higher quality stuff. And then the other big thing to the channel is merch. So I actually do nightly gaming with my buddy that I grew up with. He's actually the one that built my computer for me. He has a gaming channel here on YouTube, Mythic 49 Gaming. Me and him game almost every single night for roughly an hour. Now, keep in mind, if you follow my channel, this channel I try to keep family friendly, more professional, something with no cussing, so if your kids are around or anything like that, you don't have to worry. If you're into gaming, obviously you're here for tools and reviews and possibly the 3rd gen Camaro, but if you're into gaming, me and him do that on his channel. But keep in mind, it is not family friendly, or if you have little ones around, there may or may not be, okay, there is quite a bit of cussing, especially on my half. Like I said, on this channel I try to keep it very professional and clean. I don't have patience for gaming, okay? I enjoy it, but when I don't enjoy it, or when I'm not doing so well, it definitely shows. So don't judge me. Completely different person on that channel. But it is very entertaining. We usually play for about an hour every night, so it's very entertaining and fun. So if you guys want, I'll have his channel linked down in the description for you guys if you want to go ahead and check it out. But with that, he has a merch page, and we decided to work together, and my merch is on his page. So I will have the link down below, not just for his YouTube channel, but for our merch link as well. So you'll find my merch as well as his merch there. So if you want to support us, go ahead, it's there. We have some good products there. We tried to keep it a little bit smaller. We each have 6 items available. If you guys would like to see other apparel or anything like that added to the lineup, please feel free to drop a comment down below of what you guys would like to see. Right now we have a couple coffee mugs, pretty killer, t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts, and then we also have a couple of hoodies, one being a more affordable one but still good quality, and then the other one is actually made by Champion. It's a Champion hoodie, a little bit heavier duty, good quality hoodie. And then we also have a beanie as well. Each of these items have our logo on them, so hopefully you guys have seen some of the images that I've posted up in here for you guys to kind of see. And in the future, depending on how this does, we may add more to the lineup, so please let me know your guys' thoughts or what you would like to see as far as apparel or anything maybe added to the lineup later on down the road. But that's basically it. We have a new thumbnail, or not a new thumbnail, a new profile picture. We have new recording equipment that goes for video, audio, editing, all of that, to improve the channel into 4K quality and a much cleaner image. And then we also have a merch drop for the year of 2023. Keep in mind, if you're interested in gaming, go ahead and check out Mythic 49 Gaming. All of that will be linked down in the description. Also, make sure, if you haven't already, if you have a Facebook or Instagram, go ahead and follow me. It's Tony the Technician on both Facebook and Instagram. Should be fairly easy to find. And I'm trying to, now in the year of 2023, to really push more content through that as well. I've been kind of lackadaisical on that, on and off through the year of 2022, so I'm going to try and pick that up. Also, stay tuned to the community tab and shorts and all of that. I'm going to try and give you guys a good variety of everything. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on the changes. And as always, if you haven't subscribed and you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you guys can get updates anytime I drop a new video. And I'll see you guys next time.